Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper from your Dodge Dart. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and 8mm and 10mm sockets. Safety is paramount, so park your vehicle on a level surface and use wheel chocks. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery cable before you begin any automotive work to prevent electrical issues. Next, we'll tackle the top section. Begin by removing the 8 plastic pushpin fasteners located on the upper closeout panel. A trim removal tool works best for these. Once those are out, you can detach the entire upper closeout panel, which will give you access to additional bolts underneath. Then, carefully unclip the grille by gently prying it away from its retaining clips, being mindful not to damage them. Now, let's move to the sides and underneath. Turn your steering wheel fully to one side to gain better access to the wheel well liner. Here, you'll find 3 8mm bolts and 1 10mm bolt that need to be removed from each wheel well. After that, get underneath the vehicle. You'll need to locate and remove approximately 8 8mm bolts that secure the front bumper to the lower air dam. Finally, it's time for the full detachment. Carefully pull the bumper cover corners away from the vehicle to disengage the retaining tabs located near the headlights. If your Dart has fog lights, disconnect their wiring harnesses by twisting and pulling them free. With all bolts and clips removed, the entire front bumper cover should now be loose. Gently slide it straight off the vehicle, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.